Good evening all, I am Rishabh Kulkarni. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you some facts and an explanation on trees. Trees fall for life. Here you can see a picture of whole grown mango tree. You can see that it is not only giving us mango but it is giving us shade, fuel for kitchen and most valued oxygen. Plant trees for more oxygen. By planting nearly 20 million trees, the earth and its population will be provided with 260 million more tons of oxygen. Those same 20 million trees will also remove the 20 million tons of CO2. Trees, Hindu mythology. In India, as per Hindu mythology, the following trees are of high importance. Number 1, Tulsi. Number 2, Avla. Number 3, Neem. Number 4, Mango. And number 5, Coconut. You will generally find all the above trees planted in each rural house in India. These trees have medicinal importance. They are highly resourceful and their fruits are often used as offerings to God and later consumed by people. An eye for the nature. It is believed by watching greenery, one starts feeling happy and good. For instance, hospital patients who can see fresh green trees from their rooms are reported to heal faster and spend less time in the hospital than those without. Patients with a view of trees spend 8% fewer days in the hospital. Isn't this a great fact? Yes, trees for existence of extinct. It is believed many of the animals are turning extinct due to deforestation and easy hunting. In order to avoid the loss of such precious and extinct species, we must plant trees and avoid deforestation. Government of India has taken up many initiatives in this direction like the Green India Mission. This mission aims at protecting, restoring and enhancing India's diminishing forest cover and responding to climate change through adaptation and mitigation measures. It envisages a holistic view of greening that extends beyond tree planting. Choose your future. At the left hand side picture, you can see deforestation in progress. And at the right side means the second picture, you can see the mesmerizing forest view. I would like to prefer the second image means the mesmerizing forest view image. And of course, you will also still prefer this only. Trees everywhere. From concrete walls to parking areas, trees can mask the unsightly views. Not only do they prefer us a pleasant green landscape, but also muffle massive amounts of sound from nearby streets and highways, all while decreasing glare and dust. People who reside in areas with higher tree numbers have fewer cardiometabolic health difficulties and are less likely to die of cardiovascular or pulmonary disease. When it comes to money, trees advance the cost value of the property. Houses surrounded by trees sell for 18 to 25% higher than house with no trees. Some ancient trees. A bristlecone pine tree nicknamed Methuselah is believed to be the oldest tree in the world. Its accurate location has been kept a secret so as to protect it from tourists and vandals. The world's oldest clonal tree cluster is found in Utah, USA. DNA testing has indicated that a group of quaking aspens named Pando is about 80,000 years old. A tree planted in 288 BC in India is believed to have been propagated from Buddha's original fig tree. Aptly named Ficus religiosa, The tree is considered to be one of the most sacred trees in the world. Bhagavad Gita was pronounced by Lord Krishna 5000 years ago below a banyan tree, which is still alive in Jyotisar, means in Kurukshetra, Haryana, and is being worshipped even today. Ancient trees in India. In the left side, you can see the great banyan tree. It is more than 5000 years old. And at the right hand side, you can see the Bodhi tree, age more than 2300 years old. How do trees survive? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is defined as the process which green plants prepare their own food in the leaves with the help of the green pigment chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight, air, water and minerals. In this process, plants absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, means liberate oxygen. So friends, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video and give me your feedbacks in the comment section. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you and have a great day ahead.